Today we are going to make a Christmas cake. The ingredients you need are cornstarch, eggs, sugar, gluten-free flour, milk, and oil. Separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Submerge the egg yolks in the milk and the oil. Start beating the egg whites on low speed. When they start turning white, add in half of the sugar. Continue beating on high speed. When lines start to form on the surface, add in half of the remaining sugar. Beat to soft peaks. Add in the remaining sugar and the cornstarch. Beat on medium speed to medium peaks. Mix the egg yolks, milk, and oil. Add in the flour. Mix until it looks like this. Mix some of the egg whites into the egg yolks. Mix that back into the remaining egg whites. Pour it into a cake mold. My mold is 9 inches in diameter and 2.5 inches in height. Bake at 325 degrees for 40 minutes. After removing from the oven, let it cool upside down for at least 2 hours and remove from the mold. Bake 2 of these cakes and cut each one into 2 slices. The ingredients you need are whipped cream, strawberries, cocoa powder, blue pea flour powder, and green tea powder. Beat the whipped cream to stiff peaks. Dice the strawberries. Assemble the cake. Cake slice, whipped cream, strawberry, whipped cream, cake slice, whipped cream, strawberry, whipped cream, cake slice, whipped cream, strawberry, whipped cream, cake slice. Mix the blue pea flour powder with about 1½ cups of whipped cream. Spread that onto the top and side of the cake. Make it smooth with a hot cake knife. Use a medium round piping tip to pipe a border with the white whipped cream around the edge. Use a medium round piping tip to pipe a wavy line and fill it in between the edge of the cake. Pipe a snowman. Mix the cocoa powder with about ½ cup of whipped cream. Pipe a sled with a medium round piping tip. Pipe short lines spaced about 3 inches apart around the bottom of the cake for tree trunks. Use a small round piping tip to pipe the face and buttons of the snowman. Use a small hot cake knife to make the ground and the sled smooth. Mix the green tea powder with about ½ cup of whipped cream. Pipe dots using a medium round piping tip in a triangular shape for trees.